Alright, so we survived the blizzard, but there's like a ton of snow. As you can probably see, there's like a shitload of snow. There's like...
Y'all want to see something super cool?
Deep as hell in snow. Look at this shit, dude. That's like almost up to your knees. Here's how the pioneers travel.
Oh shit.
Deep as fuck, ain't it?
Cold.
See, man, it's like a fucking winter wonderland out here. It snowed like, what, 2 feet?
Shit, it's cold as fuck.
Should have seen the fucking door, man.
We cleaned that shit up nice.
We did. Look at this shit, man. Right here, there's like a shitload of snow.
You do not want to show my house.
Y'all niggas in Cali think 60 degrees is cold? Look at this shit, dog. This basically comes up to my knees.
You about to take that machine, cuz?
Look at that. This little weird.
Take out the snowblower.
You got a snowblower?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Let's bust that bitch out.
My dad's coming right now outside.
But,
Shit, nigga, take pictures too.
nigga, this is fucking packed. Look at that. Alright, well, you guys, stay warm, bitches in Cali.
Fuck Kelly.